Hey guys, powering through these videos so I can get you some content while I'm away. This is the second lot from the seller that I actually really like the stuff from, so that makes sense. So I'm going to open it up. It's probably going to be 2 parts, and this is the first part of the first one. Now it looks blue on camera. It is jet black with matte gold beads. Look, it's not something I'd wear, and it's a Lavisa piece again, so it isn't something I'd wear, but it's a real awesome statement necklace with a Guns N' Roses t-shirt. But it is a really nice statement necklace, and it's in exceptional condition. What else do we have? We have in a bag, we have another one of these kind of ropey necklaces. This will be a choker for sure. It has got an extender, and it is not branded at all, but it has this pendant on the end. Definitely wouldn't wear that, but somebody might like it. And then I have this looks really interesting, this bag. So there's 2 things. Firstly, there's a really nice working watch that is actually gorgeous, and I definitely would wear it, but I wear my Apple Watch. So, and it says Nadu. I haven't heard of the brand, but if you want that, let me know. If you want something, I haven't got anything on my Depop yet, but if you do want something with these videos, please send me a screenshot, because I've got so many bags of stuff, I'm going to lose things. So that's the bracelet. No, that's the necklace. Oh my God. That was a watch. This is a freaking gorgeous bracelet. It is just square panels, and every other panel has a diamante stone in it. It is kind of antique gold, I suppose you'd call it. Now, again, like I said, I've got big wrists, so it's quite tight on me, but it would be absolutely gorgeous. The Gothic girl bag that I'm doing, she might like this. I would wear it if my wrists weren't so blooming chunky. Okay, all my menopause ladies out there, I'm having a hot flush. So, next thing. Strand bracelet. It's really easy. You just wind it around your hand, or if your hands are delicate, you can just shove it on. Different coloured and different size green. That's really pretty. I do like that, but I wouldn't wear it, and I would not wear this either. But it is really neon statement necklace, but it's got those beautiful seed beads. So if you didn't want to wear this, you could make an absolute huge amount of other bits of jewelry, because you could just cut all this up. But if you want it, let me know. Okay, next up we have big silver toned hoops, reasonably wide ones. They are cute. They are in reasonable condition. As I said, I will definitely sanitize everything. There is a silver bracelet. Now, this has got a heart on it that wasn't the original. Somebody's popped that on there. It's completely different color. This actually looks like it could be silver. That looks like it's plastic, but really cute bracelet. If anybody wants it, just give us a holler. I've got to stop saying that, because if you want it, you'll just message me. Right, next up, there is a big, doesn't even fit my neck, but it's a big choker, very statement gold with it's like a wrapped, some kind of material wrapped around it. Then there is, oh God, okay, hang on. Then there is a very tangled, oh my God, very tangled. Give me a minute. All right, I thought that this was a necklace, but I've just realized that somebody has, oh God, I think it's a belt. Ugh, it's really, really long. I mean, it's going to be a ridiculous necklace, but the fact that it hangs like this, I think it is a belt. Really sort of, it's heavy, but it's cheap chain, but does the job. Next up, we have one of these 2000-ish not bracelets, necklaces, one of these big chunky ones. I have got loads of these. So if anybody wants any, and even in this shade, there's so many of them I've seen in the bags. As I pick them up and have a look, I can see these. I wore them, I don't know, 15 years ago, I suppose. This is another Pandora-esque, because I don't think it's real Pandora, charm necklace. Now this one has missing stones in it, but the others are all fine. And I'm just seeing if there is a hallmark in any description. I can't see anything stamped, but it does, the chain does look silver. So I will have a look at that and see if I can clean it up a bit. Next up is a lovely little necklace. I know someone that's going to want this one. Okay, so this is another little drop necklace, gothic-y sort of necklace. It's on a not jet black chain, but one of those sort of dark grey chains. It's got green and blue stones in it. That's really pretty. And if I was a bit younger, I definitely would wear that. What else? Okay. This is freaking enormous and it's broken. But is it broken? No, it's not broken. It is not broken, but I don't know that that ring is going to hold this chain. This weighs a ton. It's really heavy. I would be worried I'd drop this on my foot, and it's, yeah, big gold chain. Next, there is this. What is this? This is a necklace with tortoiseshell embellishments. Now, I think something was on this. I've just turned it over, and each one of these little gold things has got glue. So apparently there would have been something on it at one point, which there isn't at the moment. Okay, next up. Ooh, it's a big tangled mess. Ooh. Oh God, hang on a sec. Okay, sorted. So it is a 5-strand necklace, knotted at the bottom. So there are gold with diamante. Hopefully you can see those. Gold tone chain and black with a big knot. That's actually quite cute if you're going somewhere in the evening. And then the last bag is another one of these jumbled up bags. Let me just get it out. Okay, so we have a ring. Now, I freaking love this, and I'm so pissed because it's really small. Whee! Look how gorgeous that is. So it's got like a mother of pearl stone. There is a gem missing. There is a gem missing up here, but I feel like you could find that type of bead really easily. But that is really small. I'd say that's like a 4 or a 5. Really pretty though. That's such a shame it's got a stone missing. Then there are these 2 clip-ons. They look like this. They have lots of missing stones. What else have we got here? We have got, now tell me what these are. I think these are earrings, but because I'm old, who knows? They have got weird blobby things at the back. Are these spacer earrings? They match. We have got, I'm trying to beat the clock. Oh, tangled. Okay, so next up we've got a Guess charm bracelet. It's got the little locket. It has got Guess written on the side there, and it has a little, one of the little Guess, it's alive. One of these little Guess logos on it there. Sorry guys, I will get used to the filming. That's quite cute. There is this, if your name begins with Z. There is this brooch, or you can just turn it around however you like. That's quite cute with the flower. Tarnished silver hoops. They will probably clean up if I can get them. Oh, they're hanging together like hand hammered. I am fluent in English, honestly. 2 little balls with little diamante balls above them. It looks like all the stones are there. They're kind of cute. Then there is, this is really cute. There is a little Scotty dog charm with, oh my God, it's so small, diamante stones. Then there are, I'm really rushing here, 2 little hoops with diamante stones in them. These are nice. I like these. These are little hammered, oh my God, I'm so, there you go, hammered earrings. And finally there is a cordon bleu charm.